Hi everyone, hi, welcome back to another painting session. Let's talk about today's painting. It's a special one. Friends of mine, they had this painting for a couple of years and it was gorgeous in their home. But they ended up renovating their home and it just doesn't fit their aesthetics anymore. So they commissioned me to make a diptych. I didn't film this because this was a test run. Just to see the color palette and the composition, if they would like that. I sent it to them and they fell in love. And they definitely want this one to be piece number 1 of the 2 panels that I will be creating. So today I will finish this commission, I hope. Let's create the second painting. So I'm painting this painting for my friend and her family, and let me tell you, she's not just a friend, she's really one of those once in a lifetime people, the kind you only need one of. And while painting this, so many memories came rushing back. Back in 2012, I was working for my dad's company and I got an intern. Guess who? She lived close to me, and so I picked her up every morning to go to work, and somehow in the car every single morning the same song came on the radio, Lying in the Morning Sun. Well, I won't sing more for you guys, but we would sing along, windows down, volume up, just having the best time. And that song, it became our song. So while painting this, I knew the title had to come from it. There's a lyric in that song that says, lazy pulling daisies at to be past 3. Well, I'm singing, am I? And so lazy pulling daisies, that just felt perfect. And it's a reminder of how we met and everything that followed. Because since then we've grown together. We've been through good times, bad times, tears, laughter, babies, wedding, starting businesses, and even meeting the Queen of the Netherlands on sandals. But hey, that's a story for another day. Honestly, I'm just so honored to create this diptych for her and her family, and I hope they'll love it for many years to come. Here is the final end result, and I'll show you how it looks framed and in their home in another video. If you don't follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, now is your sign, because mostly I post those videos there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next Saturday.